Hello guys, we just reached Marina Bay Sands and we are walking to our hotel right now. Going to staycay here for one night. Hello guys, we are at MBS going to staycay now. So excited. You can't see that I'm laughing because I'm wearing my mask. Okay, I'll give you guys a quick room tour. So this is the room that we are staying in tonight, and these are our staff and the view. This time we chose the garden view and a king size bed, and this irritating person over here. Okay, then this is the view. We have gardens by the bay over here. Then we have the flower dome and the cloud forest. So the view is not that bad, just that it's slightly lower compared to like the previous rooms that I stayed. So yeah, outfit of the day. Oh, so different from last time when we stayed. No more. My eyes look so swollen today. We're going to have our lunch at Tim Ho Wan. Just check in and drop our bags. So yeah, our outfit of the day. So he's a flower boy because we are going to Gardens by the Bay. Then he wants to play in the flowers. Right? Alright, going to have our lunch now. So Sean is locating where is Tim Ho Wan. This is my first time coming to MBS after circuit breaker. So empty compared to like the usual times. Lunch place, having Tim Ho Wan today. We booked the whole restaurant. Haha.
Yeah, order.
Just had my lunch, going to buy Haiti over here. Self-entertaining part 2. Hiding behind my back so that he will not appear in the camera. Okay, so far he's quite successful. Eh? 他 hiding already 啊? Just got my Haiti. We are going to Gardens by the Bay now. Wow, it's so weird to see MBS being this empty. Okay, I want to drink my Haiti, but I have my mask on, so. Wow, first time that this lane is so empty. Usually it's packed with tourists, and today it's just us.
This gimbal very good.
Just came out from the cloud forest and I realized I didn't take a single video inside. Oh my god, and this person never remind me at all. Huh? Irritating.
Many tic-tacs later.
So there's an espresso machine in our room and we're gonna make some coffee now. It's about 4 PM. Yeah. Alright, I just showered and changed into my dinner outfit. So this is a new dress that I bought and it looks so nice. I love it. And we are going to have our dinner in Lavo tonight. So this will be my outfit, and I'm going to change to my slippers. So yeah. We're going Lavo for dinner now, and it's quite early because we are going out to the Sky Pool at 8:30 or 9. So we are going to have an early dinner and just enjoy the sunset on top of Marina Bay Sands. And yeah, I will check in with you guys later when I reach Lavo. So excited because it's my first time eating at Lavo, and I heard the Italian food is not bad. And I really like my dress today. It's the first time that I wear it. It's actually a new dress. So yes, very happy. You can't see that I'm smiling, but I'll insert emoji somewhere here. And I just did my nails. So nice.
She's not nice.
This person is so weird. He just called me a tourist trap.
She's not nice.
A drift? We have eaten a drift before. Why are you always out of frame? So for dinner, right, I didn't bring out my gimbal, and I'm just holding with my hands, so it will be a bit shaky compared to just now. But hopefully it will turn out to be okay. Love my lashes also.
People acting. People acting.
Okay, all the food is here. The truffle fries, the pasta, and the pizza. Okay, so this is my rosé, and we are here outside to check out the sunset. Wow, the view is so nice. Why have I dropped my phone? Of white wine, and we are out to see the night view. This is my gym attire. So even though I've stayed over in MBS for like countless times, but I've never been to the gym before. So I'm just going to check out the gym. Totally not dressed appropriately for gym, but whatever. I'm gonna wear slippers in also. This person is like full on ready to gym. Okay, going out to the Sky Pool now. Yay, going to Sky Pool now. Hehe, we take this photo every year when we stay over here. So funny. Going up to the Sky Pool now. So excited. I'm high on 2 glasses of wine. One rosé and one white wine. Okay, I shouldn't remove my mask in case the lift door suddenly opens. Okay, so we are going up to the Sky Pool now. Yeah, there's no one in the lift. Okay, so we are... Yes, we need to go to level 34 and transfer to Sky Pool. Baby! You never press!
I want to. I press already.
You need to scan your card, then you press. Dumbo number 1. Are you excited to go out to the Sky Pool?
No.
No? Why no?
I go before money.
But still, you don't get to go to MBS Sky Pool every day. Not excited?
Excited.
Okay, good. Wow, first time MBS so empty. So nice. Wow, so empty. For the first time. Okay, so I think we have to go down from here. And again, I now bring my gimbal to the Sky Pool, of course. So the footage will probably be a bit shaky, but I'll try my best to make it less shaky as much as I can. Wow, so nice! Wow, so empty! Wow, so nice! Wow, beautiful! Can take out my mask already, yeah! The water is quite warm. Oh, actually it's still very cold.
Then what?
You can read.
Okay, ready?
Yeah. Take a photo. Okay, I'm in the pool now and it's so cool. Oh my god. He just went all the way there without me. Okay, never mind. Let's go and find him. Ah, so cool. Hello, baby. So cool. Wow, the first time! The Sky Pool is so empty! Yeah! Wow, so nice! I can stay here all day long! But it's just a bit cold because it's at night. And it's quite windy today. But seriously, for the first time, it's the first time ever that I see the Infinity Sky Pool at MBS is this empty. Like usually, right, it's impossible to get a shot with just yourself in it. There are always like people all around you trying to get another photo. But for the first time, which is today, it is so empty. Oh my god! And this pool is tired. Okay, we are in Jacuzzi now. So warm after being so cool for like 10 minutes. 이거 어디 갔어? 네? 벌써 거기. 좋아? 잠깐. 이거 잠깐. 이거 잠깐. 이거 잠깐.
346 minutes later.
사람들 먹어야지. Okay, so we just came out from the jacuzzi and it's so cool because the water was really warm. So now it's really cold. And when I came up, then I realized that there's no one in the pool already. Oh my god, can you believe it? Okay, so we are just going to go back to our room since like it's pretty late already. I think it's like 10 plus now. So yeah. Decided to chill a while more before we go back to our room. Oh, can you believe that MBS Sky Pool is so empty? Special times. So funny. Going back to our room right now. It's about 11 o'clock and we are going to have a rest